You guys ready for the JDM goodness? Sweet. Hope you guys are stoked. This car's
That's just so small.
It's cute.
The brown bomber.
Look at this magnificent beast. Oh, the louvers. He's elevating the louvers. Alright guys, 76 280Z. JDM boys, suck it easy. He is one. He is a JDM boy. He's got the dopest, at least in my opinion, he's got the coolest stuff. So, if you don't know about this car, go watch the other videos, because this car's amazing in so many different ways, and if you don't like it, then, I don't know, f*** you. What are we first?
So,
Words.
first, what we're gonna do, the first project of this whole build, basically, is we're going to replace the exhaust manifold gasket and the intake manifold gasket. They share a gasket. It's all one big gasket. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that, because I actually lost the whole first cylinder exhaust gasket fell off. So there's a really, really bad exhaust leak at the first cylinder. Along the way, we're also going to replace all the fuel injectors, and we're going to replace all the injector seals and all the injector cups, so that it just runs better. These are all the original injectors, so.
Which, as you can see, it's quite the
Quite a
hullabaloo, and I think that's appropriate.
Yeah.
Way to
I
put
also bought clear silicone. If you guys saw the last video, there's clear silicone that we're going to wrap around the fuel rails, because the exhaust is right here and the exhaust manifold is right here. All this stuff gets heat soaked really bad, so then you have hot start issues. So we're going to wrap that in clear silicone to hopefully keep a factory appearance while mitigating some of that heat, so we don't have a hot start issue anymore.
I think that should work excellent, and yeah, it'll look really good. The factory, I mean, because you're still maintaining factory OEM line and everything, and it's just,
Yeah, and
but it's just going to clean it up.
I'm gonna go through and we're gonna brush this up with some Scotch-Brite pads and whatnot, and just make sure it looks really nice. So
Hell yeah. I'm stoked. I'm hella stoked.
I am stoked too. I can't wait. This has been a project that's been kind of a long time coming, and yeah. So let's get to it. Yeah, I buy the same battery for all my cars, so if one dies, it doesn't matter.
Fair enough.
It's a Duralast Gold, baby. AutoZone's finest.
Get in the zone! Oh, God.
AutoZone's finest pile of garbage, bro.
Alright, so we're just manhandling the shit out of all this stuff, I guess?
So we're gonna take you on a time lapse, because I think,
Okay, yeah, there we
I
go.
think that'd be good. It's gonna be a lot of disassembly and a lot of probably cursing, and let's just get to it.
Oh my God, and finger blood, these hose clamps. Ugh. Oh no. What's the broken bolt count?
Broken bolt count is 2. 1, fairly easy to get to. Gonna take some fire. 2 should be easy to get to after I pull the intake manifold.
Right. 2's not bad. 1976.
So far, everything's been super loose. I think this has come off at least once before. But clearly they didn't do it right and everything was super loose, so.
Right. Yeah, well, that's not bad. I mean, God only knows when this was really, truly last apart, and it was in a pretty dry climate there for a minute, right?
Yeah, you know, I got lucky because it is an Arizona car.
Right.
So there's no rust.
California and Arizona, this thing's seen some babes, I bet. Absolute freaking babes.
You know it, cruising Laguna Beach.
Dude.
Soaking up the rays.
Soaking up the rays, dude.
It was female owned. An older lady had it for 30 years.
And boy, oh boy, did she do a good job. She kept it really freaking straight. Oh, hey, look. I put a battery thing in. Look what I did. I don't know if I'm getting that terminal on now.
Oh yeah, here you go then.
I mean, but can't really tighten it. That's alright, it doesn't need to be tight. Dude, nope, that's not good. What you doing? EGR stuff?
Fire! On my butt.
So what's the dealio, Mark?
Trying to get this EGR unstuck.
Yeah, fucking EGR shit.
Righty tighty, shut up.
What's the dealio, Flair?
Just trying to get this fucking screw itself back in. But I don't know if that's feasible.
Are you trying to get EGR stuff off still?
It's f***ed.
Once it gets to the point where it's twisting like that, I did the same thing on the veg. It's just gonna, you have to essentially tear it.
If I go back the other way, it'll crack. There we go. It was on the last goddamn thread.
Well, it's like it was gonna work anyways. I hate to do this to you.
You gotta go.
Yeah, it's like 12:45. I gotta get ready.
Well, the good news is that I'm done
Yeah.
with what I'm going to get done.
Sweet. Booyah!
Intake manifold.
Pain in the balls, but done.
So, as you can see, this gasket is missing in the front. It broke off.
Look at that. Yeah, it is. Rent.
Probably because it's loose.
Wow.
So now, the next step is to carefully extract the bolts out of the header. Gonna be a motherfucker. Arizona car.
Yeah, I guess. Fuck.
This was a huge concern of mine. keep it as original as possible.
I don't think EGR is one of those things. Just as far as I'm concerned, because, I mean, it just adds heat. Leaving the EGR will probably help with that heat soak of the cold start. I mean, of the hot start.
It could, you're right.
Boom.
Want to find the exhaust leak? That right there is why we're doing all of this work. Huge hole right here in the gasket. Not to mention just the whole thing's super crusty. When things don't go together all tight, you can never get things nice.
Well then, yes, that's the end of the video. I got a lot of false endings in my videos, but that one's for real. All the progress that we wanted to do is done.
Yep.
We're moving at a good speed.
Mm-hmm.
And
I feel good about this.
right on.
I feel really good about this.
And
We're gonna have a good run in Datsun here pretty quick.
hell yeah. So with that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Click on the other videos of
And
all
stay
the.
tuned for more content.
Yeah, there you go.
Share with your friends.
Yeah.
We're here doing JDM things.
Yeah, because this channel is not renowned for its JDM stuff.
You know.
So let everybody know. I'm going to try and talk Mark into starting his own overly analytical channel. And
Think I'm overly analytical?
no, I think you'd make really good like intense directional videos. Like, this is what I'm doing here because of this, exactly for this reason and no other. That kind of thing. Like you like Project Blinky? Binky. Right.
How dare you?
Okay. Anyways, see you guys.